everybody. Today I've got a really fun maths puzzle for us to have a go at solving, and it's all to do with money. So what I'd like you to do is, before we start our challenge, ask an adult at home or a bigger brother or sister if they've got any coins for you to look at. So some of the bronze, silver and gold coins for you to look closely at. So I want you to do that, and then I want you to come back, okay? Are you back? Oh, excellent. What coins did you find? I've printed out some copies of coins, all of the different coins that we have in the British value system. So one of the very first coins we've got is a 1 penny coin, and it's bronze. It might not be worth a lot on its own, but when it's put together with other coins, it can be worth quite a lot. So this is a 1p coin, and it's bronze. Then we have our next penny, our bronze coin. It's a 2p coin, and it looks quite similar to a 1p coin, apart from it's got the number 2 here. So the 2p coin is worth the same as 2 1p's, because 1 and 1 equals 2. So we've got 1p, 2p. Now, the strangest thing is there's not a 3p coin or a 4p coin. If you wanted to make a 4p coin, you'd have to add two 2p coins together, because 2 and 2 make 4. So we haven't got a 3p or a 4p, but we've got a lovely silver 5p coin. It's a silver coin, so it's worth a little bit more than the 2p. And what you won't notice in my version is they look the same size here. But if you look closely at all of the coins, you'll see that the 5p coin, although it's silver, is very, very small. So you could make the 5p by having 5 1p coins, or you could make it by having 2 2p's and 1 1 penny. Crazy stuff. The next coin that we have is a 10 pence coin, a nice big shiny silver 10 pence coin. Up here we've got another shiny silver coin next, but it looks a little bit different because it's a different shape. It's not round. Shall we count how many sides it's got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A 7-sided shape. Do you know what that's called? It's a heptagon. A 7-sided shape is called a heptagon. So a 20p coin is the shape of a heptagon. We'll put that one there. Do you know which is the next value of coin we have? It's a similar shape, but bigger. It is a 50p coin. 50 pennies, this is the same amount as. Wow, that's a cool coin. Then we've got a gold coin, a £1 coin. And I like it because it's got gold and a silver bit in the middle. And this coin is worth the same as 100 pennies. Wow, that's pretty impressive. 100 pennies, or 50p and 50p, because 50 and 50 make 100, and there are 100p in this coin. Let's put this one here. And then I've got one more coin to show you. It's the £2 coin, and it's the same as 2 £1 or 200p. So here are the coins. I've got 6 of them that we're going to be looking at today. And now I'm going to read you the maths puzzle, and I want you to listen really, really carefully, because I'm going to be asking you about some of the information that was in the puzzle. Are you ready? Let's go. Ride at the fair. Oh, I love going to fun fairs. I can't wait till they're open again. Lucy had a ride at the fair. She's very lucky. Her mum asked Lucy to pay less than 20p towards it. Less than 20p. Smaller than 20p. Lucy paid exactly 3 coins towards the ride. How much did Lucy pay her mum? Find different ways to do it. So when we're solving a maths problem, it's really important to underline the important words, the words that are going to help us solve the problem and find out what to do. So, Lucy had a ride at the fair. That's not that important because it could have been anywhere. Her mum asked Lucy to pay less than 20p. That's important. Less than 20p. So not more than 20p, not 20p, but anything less than that. Lucy paid exactly 3 coins. So that's really important as well, that she uses 3 coins. She doesn't pay with 1 coin, she doesn't pay with 5 coins, she pays with 3. Okay, so now we need to try and solve this problem. There's going to be lots of ways to do it, so why not make a list of all of the ways that we can? So let's have a think. Could I say that Lucy paid with 1 20p? No, because she has to use 3 coins, and if she used this coin, she'd have already paid. So let's try with something smaller. Actually, this gives you a little clue to help. Because she's paying less than 20p, all of these bigger ones here, we're not going to be using. It's only going to be these 4 coins that we're using. So let's just forget about these ones for now. Let's put these ones down. And let's look at the coins that are smaller than 20p. And let's do our first way of making it. I'm going to just do 3 circles for the 3 coins, and then I'm going to write the amount on them. So let's say she used, what one shall we start with? Should we start with the biggest one? Should we start with 10p? So let's say she used with 10p. Let's have a think, have a play and put some numbers in here. Why not put number 1 in here and number 2 in here? Now let's add up our 3 numbers. 10 and 1 is 11, plus 2 more, 11, 12, 13 is 13p. Is that less than 20p? Yes. Is that 3 coins? Yes, that's one way of doing it. Now, let's try another way. Draw your 3 empty coins, and then you're going to tell me how much you made. I'm going to give you a second to work that out, or maybe a minute to work that out, and come back to me. What ways did you find of making less than 20p? Also, it doesn't say, does it, that you can't use the same coin again. So you could use 5p 3 times. It doesn't say anywhere here that you can't use 1 coin more than once. 5, 10, 15. That would make 15p. Go on and find all of the ways to make less than 20p. And if you find that too easy, why not change the amount? Maybe 67p. That would be more tricky. Maybe your next go, she can use more than 3 coins. Maybe she can use 5 coins. I want to see all the different ways that you can make the different amounts. Have fun!